All right, guys, it's Saturday. I didn't want to, it was pretty tired yesterday, so didn't do a lot or didn't do charge yesterday because it was Whew. bank holiday. So I decided not to trade or not to trade or, um, yeah, watch charts in general. I was just chilling, did some other stuff. Um, so yeah, so therefore, I'm gonna do this recap right now. And it's interesting, it's fun, it's looking good. We're gonna just we're gonna do it slightly different. We're gonna clean all this up because we don't need it. We're gonna just break down price action and yeah, let's just go from there. I don't know if this is gonna be a recap or I think it's gonna be forecast. Look, it's gonna be forecast, but we're gonna cover previous price action as well. So you can see over here we took those lows I spoke about. Let's clean this up. Um, did we tap in? Oops, no, we didn't. But we did reach discount and we took into range liquidity over here. So asset like price income. It's so annoying. I don't know why I'm yawning when I'm speaking on my webinar or my recordings. It's so strange. It's literally so strange. But I said like I want to see price come up here. Ideally come up here and then continue down. Why do we want to continue down? We want to continue down because we want to reach discount on this bullish leg. And I knew that we had previous daily highs below here, and we had this was my target for that trade from here. But price first had to engineer more liquidity in the form of these lows, come up, take out internal range liquidity for this bearish leg, and then continue down. Now, the thing I like is that we are building up previous or liquidity over here, and this is our previous weekly high for next week. So now that we know that previous weekly high, we have some perfect like equals or liquidity pool over here to target for next week. And we can actually target that after we reach the discount for our in our bullish leg. So we tapped into that 50-minute demand. That's good as well. I think there's a 50-minute POI that sits inside there. Yeah, this one. So that's good as well. Those equals are taken, so we can just clean it up. I don't think I'm gonna do a recap of this PA. Although, yeah, I want to do a recap of this PA. It's decent. We can see the turnaround actually, but we'll dive into that in a minute. I'm first gonna do like a forecast maybe. Um, so yeah, we got that. We can now just see because I'm literally just on a chart. Didn't do any charts. Didn't prepare. I don't prepare all this. So yeah, we broke that. Now thing is, do I see this as my break? Oh, we already broke that. So that's perfect. So we gotta if you want to do it like that, you gotta low, high, high, low, high, low. You can also take this low, this one, this one, this one. It's the same. Doesn't really matter. Higher high. Then we got our bearish break, return to premium, and continuation down. So that's the structure. So our last bearish break came from here. There we go. Now we didn't tap into that, so I want to just keep it there. Maybe we might get there in the future. It's not the cleanest, so not really looking into it. But the thing is, this break is not the strongest either. It's just a wick on the 50-minute, probably in the 1 hour as well. Yeah, so and then keeping in mind that we have this internal range, internal range, internal structure, and we reach discount on that. after taking the liquidity, we might just see price turn around from here and then continue up. Pairing that up with the dollar weakness we have right now. What's this? Pairing it up with the dollar weakness we have right now, we might see price just go from here. Then we also got more reason to take this out, because then maybe get like a slowdown over here. Why slowdown? To match this trend line. So then we trickle down one more time, match this trend line, and then we can see price fly up. So that's our first scenario. Actually, let me draw it out. So like this, because that trend line is not met yet. So we can maybe see price trickle down, tap in, just tap through to fake out, and then take out these highs. And that will be our first scenario, first possibility. We can also see that price did tap into our 4-hour. So let me zoom in again. So people with a normal screen, normal people, no idiots like me, can actually see what I'm doing. So you can actually see that price tapped into that 4-hour block over there. Did we tap into the 1 hour? Nope. So 50-minute and 1 hour are the same. And this really is like a liquidity grab with that wick, taking out the lows. So this will be my potential target, because I'm gonna mark this out as slow directional PA. So might see price very bullish, and I'm just this is slightly different, but I think this is gonna aid me starting on Monday, because it's Saturday now. Tomorrow I have a busy day, so I might forget all my ideas, right? So I'm just gonna do it like this, because I'm not gonna watch back my entire recording. Sorry if I'm not perfect, but I don't want to do that. I just do this for me to improve my analysis in the moment. And the first thing I recognize is that I'm immediately covering the candle formations, which is a thing I usually don't do because I forget it a lot. Same on the 4-hour, strong impulse up in and slow turnaround. So this might indicate that we turn around and can go up. Therefore, I wanna use this structure as well. And I'm gonna mark it on slightly different so I can recognize it's internal. Nope, 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 no, 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 no. Price range 2.0. Yeah, let's look like that. So the green area we can long from there, and then let's just drag this aside. There you go. And then like this. Perfect. So we got that structure range as well. Talk about those equals, talk about internal range liquidity for a bullish range. If we come deeper, I don't know if this will hold. We got a area over here. Where we could look for longs from, maybe. Probably a 4-hour block. Yeah. 50-minute wise, we can see the grab. So we sweep this low, come up, and we can actually see that that's a minor break from. Okay, that's there you go. Hold up. So you can actually see a high It's pretty intricate, I know, but you can if you can see it like this, watch this. See it stands out. Wait, the candle, I don't know, for me it stands out. You can pretty clearly see it. So we got a high, a low, bullish break, bearish break. Now if you go to the 50-minute, I can confirm that. You got that high. Actually, I can't. Oops. Interesting, 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 interesting. Maybe if I go lower. Yeah, but that's not okay. I was wrong. Good. New lesson. Lesson learned. You actually can't tell. But I wanna see it. I think I'm seeing it right. So interesting. We gotta no, there's nothing. All right, interesting, interesting, interesting. So but then the thing I was pointing at was this low being taken. Oh, that's it. I remember now. If you go to the 5-minute, there you go. So we got a high, lower, low, sweep, turn around, up. Yeah. I don't want to make it too messy. There's a lot going on right now. There is a lot going on. I put on two structures. I don't need that. Got that one. We got the forecast. We got this. Now, if we take off this, it's already cleaner. Now, we can zoom out and we can see that we took that. We took that. We took that. Another scenario, and it's a second scenario, is that price maybe comes up and then we come down and we either react from this block or we come down further. There's not a big area, but we got that 4-hour PY that sits below here. So if we go to the 4-hour, we can see that we have a unmitigated area here, cluster of candles, and we might see longs from that. And then this serves as our internal range liquidity. This is no previous daily low anymore. And then we can see longs from there below this low. So that would look like, so this is just a guess, but take out the low and then continue up. And then we follow the range. Thing is, this break's quite correctional. This impulse was strong. This impulse was quite strong as well, although it was not the size of this one. It was quite strong. So yeah. So second scenario will be this one, this one. A third scenario will be this one. So third scenario is that we turn around from here and just go up. Then still again keeping in mind the correctional PA over here. Because if we want to look for shorts, so now let's build that. Let's because we broke barriers nonetheless, so we want to build a case or a how do you say that? We want to prepare ourselves to take shorts because that's like high probability in line with in structure. So let me, how am I gonna do this? I'm just gonna put it here. Bottom. There you go. If you don't see the break, you can zoom into the 15-minute. I don't know if I can class this as a zone. I think I can. I want to see price come above our liquidity. What do we have inside? A beautiful 1-hour fair value gap. There you go. unmitigated area. So essentially, we already slightly tapped into that. Schematic. But and if you don't want to use that, we can use the 30-minute one. 30-minute FVG. And I think that's a nice target or nice area. Let's look for a turnaround. 50-minute supply. Interim range liquidity. And then we can look for shorts. However, as I said, not a strong break. Correctional PA to the downside, so we might just see a turnaround instantly. How am I gonna make this clean? I don't like this. This is messy. I don't like messy charts. So I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna make it blue. How am I gonna do that? Wait. No, this is worse. Clean charts is so important. I see my arrow. Thank you. All right, let's just keep it like that. At least we don't have indicators on the chart. Then we can come down. We can maybe react from this 1 hour MOND. Got this potential trend line. It's not valid yet. Let's just keep it like that. Here's weekly highs taken. This daily high. Liquidity. Daily time frame wise, what do we have here? Oops. What are the daily candles? So the last 2 days were quite correctional. So we might see the turnaround because this is quite correctional. So I'm favoring the longs for sure. I'm favoring the longs. I don't know what the news is. So now let's look at DXY and what's DXY telling us. So quite correctional as well. We do create some equals on the daily over here. So, oh, the 4 hour it's taken actually. That's interesting. Want to say like, yeah, but okay. Okay, yeah. So on same here, same story. We can see that turnaround. Although did we reach discount? That's another thing. Yeah, we also reached the discount. This is the first time we reached discount or premium, so that's a thing, but yeah. I'm really favoring shorts for DXY on based on the most recent structure and based on price behavior. Now, price behavior can change next week because this was the first week of the month, first week of the quarter. Price that people had to settle down and decide what to do and everything. But now that they're settled, they might just switch their bias, and we might see price continue long from here. Yeah. But that's not what I'm favoring right now. Let's go back to EU. Yeah, I'm just thinking out loud the whole time. We got previous weekly lows from last week. No, this week's one is probably that. Yeah. So we can just take that, put that there. So that's another reason price to continue down actually, and then look for longs below that because this is our previous weekly low. Small range, by the way. Or it's just me, but no, it's just me. Quite large range. It's almost 200 pips. It is 200 pips. You might see that being taken out and then long. That could happen as well. And then long, or take out the high and then short. But I don't. The dollar, everything is so weak. Story around it, fundamentals. So yeah. Send me a DM on Instagram with what you think. What do you think? What is favorable? What do you want to see happen? What can you trade? Because really, we don't have to focus on anything more than this for now. I'm gonna remove this. That's what makes it messy. And then I'm gonna add colors to this. Now it's gonna be so clean. 1 hour, but green. And now it's suddenly way cleaner because now I can see what's happening. Now I don't need this. Now I only need don't need that because I know we were below that. Only thing I need is a turnaround, which was from here. And a liquidity grab. And this is story wise, so yeah. Might not even share this. Yeah, I'm gonna post it anyway, but it's just a messy one. And just we have liquidity here, we have liquidity here. This one lines up with a previous weekly low. This one lines up with previous weekly high. We are inside a bullish most recent leg. Overall, we are not in the discount yet of our overall bullish leg. We also know that we are inside a premium of this bearish leg. And on top of that, we know that we are in a bullish leg over here. But this lagged like a month. So it's like really high time frame queue, but you want to know that you want to use everything to it. So yeah. Part one. For now, I keep forecast the orange one where I said that we have this trend line. Price trickles down into that. So where are we? Let's go to the 1 hour. Price comes a little bit more down, takes up maybe this wick because this is news on the back of news, and then we get a turnaround and take the highs. So that's my ideal scenario for now. Even better is even better is if we come up first, then come down, look for short into longs. So those are my two main scenarios for now. Yep.